If you had any power tools sitting for a long time, or it's been in a dusty environment or whatever, you might you will get that flashing and sparking from the brushes. So remember to turn off the power connector so it doesn't work anymore. And then what you do is you locate the bushes area. So what you do is you unscrew the access port, like so, and here are the brushes here and the commutator just in here. So what you do is you take these out, you then give them a good movement, you know, because there's a spring inside here, so you push it in and out, in and out, in and out, so it becomes flexible. And then while you're at it, while you're here, just give the commutator, this bit here that rotates on the spindle, give that a good clean, and then the spark should go. As you can see, I've got one out. So what you do is you squish it down like so, and you get a bit of cloth, you sand it down, and same with the other side. And while you're here, you stick this in here where the it touches, and then obviously you can't do this with the camera. With the other hand, you turn the blade or the shaft to clean it. And as you can see, there's plenty of meat on here, so this indicates that this is a good brush. But as I say, because it's poor contact, because it's been stood for a while, this is why you're getting your arcing. Right, now I've cleaned them, put it back on. This is now the first run. Now what you do is, when you've done this, you turn it on, and you notice there'll be a few sparks, which is fair enough, but at least the most of the sparkings and arcing's gone, which degrades your brushes. So once you've got it going, just let it run for about a minute or so, and then the sparks will, the bushes will re-embed themselves, and then you've got a perfectly working tool again. Stand by.